Okay. Homer Saison, subukan natin yung iyong opinion dito sa boxing. Kilala ka sa basketball. Casimero versus Neri. Nag-weigh in kanina. Alam kong alam mo yung laban. Pero na-overweight si Neri. Siya pa ang na-overweight. 124 catch weight ang labanan nila. 123.4 itong si Casimero. Etong si Neri, 127. Mas mataas pa sa featherweight.
Yes.
Alam ko may sarili kang opinion before the fight and my prediction where we assume the best of both worlds, I mean both fighters, pero dito mukhang matamlay si Neri, boss. Ano ba, nagbago ba yung opinion? Ano ang opinion mo dito sa laban na ito?
I think Neri will win.
Ha?
Neri ako pa. And I listen, I like General Casimero. I'm a big fan of General Casimero. I've said this before. Na nang lumaban siya sa Birmingham, remember? Birmingham,
Yes.
England. He was such a deep underdog. I remember that day, I think it was a Friday dito sa US.
Mm.
Naglabada ako pa. I was doing my laundry. And
Mm.
then palagi kong kinakausap yung future future ano mo, boxing enemy mo, foe mo. Yung kapatid
Mm.
niya si Jason. He
Okay.
told me about their story, ganito. And the danger of fighting Casimero is that he's a one-punch knockout artist talaga. Diba? We saw that in
Mm.
so many fights na. Kaya kasi si parang na-inlove sa kanya si Rigondo eh. Hug na hug nang naglaban sila. Because he
Mm.
knew na ang one punch na. Having said that, yung knockout punch kasi, Pao, you cannot knock somebody out if you cannot hit them. And I think he's gonna have a hard time going after Neri. Kasi medyo okay din naman ang movement ni Neri. And then having that advantage, Pao, it might not seem much, 123 to 127, pero pag rehydrate niyan, Pao, medyo lalaki na yun. I don't know what the rehydration clause is, pero Neri will be the bigger fighter tomorrow paglaban nila. So, of course, as a Filipino, gusto natin manalo si Casimero. Pero if you look at also ang activity, mas maraming laban. Ano lang natin, in the last 3 years, ilang laban si Casimero, ilang laban si Neri. And that is important. Yung level of activity mo. That's what happened when, you know, when there was this new, nalimutan ko pa, it escapes me. May isang fighter na naglaban, tapos yung isa rusty ng like 2 years. So tinalo siya. I think
Mm.
that was Spence ba yun? That was Spence against Crawford. Something like that,
Mm.
or Crawford against, hindi ko na malimutan, but maalala. But I'm saying is the activity level of Neri, the quality of competition niya over the last 3 years compared kay Casimero. Kaya medyo favor ako kay Neri.
I mean,
Yun ang
you're
basa ko
not
dyan.
you're not wrong because the odds makers are initially nga heavy favorite pa si Luis Neri. I'm
Yes.
just saying that did you not ever even maybe consider changing your mind because of it looks like baka hindi maganda ang training ni Neri kasi overweight siya. Biruin mo, catch weight na nga lang, nag-overweight pa.
Oo, that also means, Pao, na, kasi sa iba, some promoters, pag overweight ka, hindi na nila ituloy ang laban kasi alam nila na, nako, mas malaking, I remember the MMA fight between Dern. Remember yung Dern? Masyado siyang overweight tapos tinuloy pa rin, bugbog yung kalaban. So,
Mm.
again, dito sa boxing, normally what happens, if this were a title fight, wow, hindi na to title fight.
Mm-mm. Yes.
Cancelled na to kasi overweight ng isa. And then not only that, nangyari to, I remember Jack Tipora
Mm-mm.
in the undercard of the Pacquiao Thurman yata yun. Oh yeah, Pacquiao Thurman fight undercard yun. I remember because I interviewed Tipora at the MGM Grand, yung na ano sila na overweight siya, hindi siya nakatuloy ng laban. Sayang because that was I think $150,000 kasi nasa ano ko siya sa main
Mm.
undercard siya. So, hindi na tinuloy ng kalaban dahil ayaw nila na ma-compromise yung boxer nila kasi overweight ang kalaban eh. So I don't know what ang limit nito, magkano ang kasi normally pa pag ganun overweight yung isang boxer, in the rules of the Nevada State Athletic Commission, overweight ka, may penalty ka. Sometimes
May
as much
penalty
as
nga.
20%. Oo, as much as 20% of your purse. kung ang pasweldo mo is $100,000 sa laban na to, kung papayag yung isa na underweight, yung hindi nag-violate, nag-overweight, kung papayag siya na ang kalaban niya malaki after rehydrating, then babayaran niya ng 20%. So, that's $20,000. Diba?
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, you willingly know na malaki kalaban mo. Well, kung ako naman si Casimero, why would I cancel, di ba? Hindi ka na nakalaban for, you've been looking for a fight the last year, di ba? And then, pera yon. He's not making the same amount of money he was making back in the day na consistent siya naglalaban, di ba? So, he's going to fight a bigger foe. So, given the chance to change my opinion, no, I won't. I think Nery will win tomorrow. Tomorrow. I think, given also sa history ni Casimero, if I'm Nery's camp, just don't go toe-to-toe with him. Make him tired first. Maybe 5-6 rounds. But yung first 3 rounds, naku, mahirap si Casimero. He can beat everybody, pao. Maski Inoue pa yan. Diba? Because he can punch with the best of them. Problema lang ni Casimero, pag pagod na siya, then that's when he starts lunging instead of really punching and planting your feet. Kasi mahirap i-plant yung feet mo kung nag-lateral movement kalaban mo And tingnan mo pa, hindi naman yung mga handlers ni Nery pa, they're not dumb, they're not stupid. They know na si Casimero is a big time puncher. Pero ba't nila pumayag? Because they also know that they can beat him by moving around well. So yun ang basa ko dyan. So Nery tayo pa.
Ikaw lang. Kasi meron ko. Gaya na sabi ko, I could separate my personal and my I just felt like I don't see the when you look at the weigh-in, I don't like what I saw with Nery. If he recovers well, like what I said, if he's still bouncing after round number 5, then maybe Nery would win. But I think Casimero would knock him out with that kind of condition. Pero yun din, napaisip ako This is the question dun, Homer. Why is he overweight? Was it deliberate? Or
Could be.
talagang
Yes.
nahirapan sila? That's the question. And that could very well answer whoever wins this one. So, yun.
Yes. Okay.
Oh,
Pero
okay.
bahala na dito sa Nery ako, pero salud Casimero 100%. Salud tayo diyan.
Okay. Saka na natin pag-usapan niya.
Sige pa, on that note, thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa mga fans natin, mga listeners, viewers natin sa Pauka Sports. This
Alright,
is Homer
salamat.
Tyson.